Want to hide and unhide messages on Snapchat? Keep watching. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Swipe right from the camera page to get to the chats page. Find the conversation you want to hide. Press and hold the chat until a menu pops up. Tap on Chat and Notification Settings from the menu. Select Clear from a chat feed. This hides the conversation but doesn't delete any saved or sent messages. Confirm your choice by pressing Clear. Now to unhide messages. Tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Scroll down to the Friends section. Tap on My Friends. Right below the Bitmojis. Find the user from your friends list or search for them. Press and hold their name. From the pop-up menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Select Pin Conversation. The chat will reappear in your chat feed without sending a new message. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.